Guys, we're back again. Part 5 is on. Oh my god, there's so many parts.
I just got to open them on myself and I know how to open them. Be careful, guys. Okay, I just opened it, finally. Let's see how they look. They look so pretty.
Well, they're squares.
I know. Like it looks so good. If I just step on it, that's how it looks. So good, so good. We're gonna leave these away because it stinks.
And you know I hate stinkies already good, Chris. I can't breathe. Eat the crisps already. Put them away. I'll try a pickled onion. That's gonna smell even worse. Just do it already. Come on! I hate smelly crisps. Video. 1 minute already. Oh my god. Nearly 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes we stop it for another. That was people. Ew.
On the back.
Okay, Daya. Think. Try these. These are apple rings.
Apple rings are fun.
Take all your sweets. Like this. Next, try the orange and lemon.
No, next, I'm trying these first.
Okay. What about these? Jelly.
These are the last.
And your fudge. You forgot your fudge.
And
the fudge.
I don't like fudge.
Then why did you buy it?
I bought it for you.
2.
Yeah. Can you open this for me?
No.
You really don't even like, you don't even like, and this is funky.
I want one. No, because those are jelly beans. Take another bowl.
No, no plastic.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
Hey.
Yes, you are.
La, la, la.
That's good.
Hey, that away.
Where?
Oh, an orange first. Oh, these oranges look so good.
They're not all oranges. The yellow ones are lemons.
Oh yeah, I'm trying the orange and the lemon. Let's squeeze them out. So good. Look at teeth.
Teeth. Let me try them as well. Orange first.
Yellow silver.
That actually tastes like orange.
They are just like lemon.
I wonder if this is sour.
It's not sour.
This one tastes like orange as well.
I'm going to stop.
Mama. Jelly puddings.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I can just Cassie down.
Cassie now.
This is it.
With your jelly pudding.
Oh, my feet.
I'm trying this one.
I'm trying that one. Me too.
Posso lì, i raggi di cerchio. papíry, všechno vypadněte pozbírat, co je po zemi.
Počkej, my děláme video.
Tak teď nedělej video, já jdu vysávat. Vypni to.
Guys, we're gonna have to do a part 6.